Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a review and wear test on the new IT Cosmetics Nude Glow. And I also want to compare this new IT Cosmetics to the original IT Cosmetics CC Cream, and I am in the color rich with both of these. So if you'd like to see how they apply on my oily skin and how they wear throughout the day, please keep on watching. I love the original formula of IT Cosmetics that was created many years ago. But this isn't a new one, but I do love this one. And then I have the Nude Glow. The new CC Nude Glow, I am gonna go on the left side of my face and I'm gonna go on the right side of my face with the original formula. So I'm gonna set my makeup off camera. Everything's set really beautiful. This is the side with the new formula, and this is the side where I use the original CC cream formula on this side of my face. Upon application, I feel like the new CC Nude Glow did give a really luminous glow. I was a bit nervous because I'm like, oh my god, it's gonna be so shiny, but you see it's set really beautiful. I honestly can't tell the difference on either side with these foundations. And like I said, I'm gonna be keeping them on all day, and I'll come back tonight when I get home and I'll show you just how both of these CC creams compare to each other, how they held up on my very oily skin for the entire day. So I hope you all have a really beautiful day, and I'll see you later. And after wearing these foundations all day, and you saw I used the new IT Cosmetics CC cream on this side of my face, which is very luminous. It's very beautiful. However, it's obvious that it's very luminous, that it's more luminous on this side with the new CC Nude Glow. However, I feel like this one is very lightweight. It didn't separate at all by my nose. As you see, it's still seamless. My pores is blurred under my eye. There's no separation. This is really seamless. My smile line is still in place, as you can see. Didn't rub off at all on my skin. On this side, I went in with the original formula CC cream. I'm a bit dewy right here, but it's not like I am on this side. I feel like the entire side is luminous with the new formula. This new formula is really magnificent for all skin types. I feel like this is wonderful for dry skin. Like someone with a dry skin would really enjoy this one. I personally enjoyed it for 11-12 hours where I got out of this one, and I don't have any complaints at all about it. I've been a fan for a while of IT Cosmetics CC cream. My preference is the IT Cosmetics matte CC cream, which in my experience is really lovely. This one is super long wearing. I feel like this is great for us oily skin girls. So if you are oily like I am, you can pass on this new nude formula if you do have oily skin. But if you do have dry skin, like this new formula would be really lovely. I feel like if you do have combo skin or Asian skin, this would really be a lovely glow for you. So I can't really say anything bad about it more than the glow that it gives to the skin, and it's like a really naturally healthy, pretty glow, as this one is infused with really lovely skincare benefits. I feel like It Cosmetics is known for having some of the best skincare infused complexion products. They've been offering that in their products. Like I said, this matte version of the new It Cosmetics is my favorite. It has been my favorite for many years. I am gonna link the video above if you haven't seen this one yet. But like I said, this is lovely. I would absolutely recommend, and I really hope this video was helpful to lots. I mean, it didn't oxidize at all. This stayed true to the color as when I first applied it, both sides. And like I said at the beginning, I am in the color rich, and I really hope this video was helpful to lots. But if you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.